We are living through one of the most significant transformations in human history. Artificial intelligence and robots can now perform surgery, compose symphonies, and handle customer service conversations. Leaders face an unprecedented paradox. They must harness AI's extraordinary capabilities without eliminating the human elements that create loyalty, innovation, and sustained success. Hi, I'm Andrew Bryant. Have you been told, follow your passion? Did you know that this advice can destroy human potential? Passion without competence creates frustration and failure. There is a self-leadership gap. Most people are passengers in their lives and careers, but to thrive through this transformation, we must become drivers with the ability to adjust and advance. If you're a leader or an aspiring leader, you must therefore ask, how do you develop the self-leadership skills that AI cannot replicate? How do you create environments where human potential naturally flourishes alongside AI? As an author and coach, I've worked alongside leaders of disruptive Silicon Valley startups and complex multinationals. The future belongs not to those who compete with AI, but to those who can amplify human potential through strategic partnerships with AI while staying authentically human.